This is DJ Battery, and if you have a problem with a toy where the batteries are starting to go low, just like this piano here, it's easy to fix.
Play again later.
This one particularly has a battery compartment that's like the old style, flat head. So I could use my fingers to open. See what batteries we're gonna need. I hope it's AA. I haven't checked in like months. But this is one of Sergio's toys that he doesn't use that often. But the batteries still tend to. So you're gonna need 2 AA batteries, which I have here. Let's test it before we put the cover on.
Violet saxophone. Lip piano.
And the lights are okay. And I'm gonna put these AA batteries in the recycle. I did a review on my son's toys when this was dying, so you saw it on low batteries. There's 3 more toys that my son has that you haven't seen with dead batteries. That would be his swing, his table, and one of his book toys. His newest book toy. Not an older one that I kept back. His newest. So yeah. This should be good for another few months. Subscribe and have a nice day.